Guitar and kicks in over a bounce. 808 beat.
Yeah, another beautiful Monday. See what them city boys are up to. Ha. Got my boots up on the railing, sun is getting high. Got a notification flicker in the corner of my eye. Some penny stockers flying on some make-believe news, talking about a merger, trying to light a fuse. Folks are losing their minds, going all in all fast, building up a castle that was never meant to last. I take a little sip of my sweet iced tea, tap a couple buttons, simple as can be. Let them have their fun, let them have their climb, cause I know what's coming at the end of the line. That's the front porch payout, easy as can be. While they're sweating bullets, it's a payday for me. Tip my hat to the moon, then I bet on the fall. Lean back in my chair and just wait for the margin call.
Just wait for the margin.
Hear the chatter online, man, it's nothing but noise. Diamond handing garbage like a bunch of schoolboys. Me, I'm just here watching clouds roll past, knowing that a party that wild ain't ever gonna last. And right on cue, that rocket starts to stall, and all them diamond hands begin to feel real small. I take another sip, ain't worried about a thing, just listen to the sound of my phone go cha-ching. Let them have their panic, let them have their fall, cause I knew what was coming all along, y'all. That's the front porch payout, easy as can be. While they sweating bullets, it's a payday for me. Tip my hat to the moon, then I bet on the fall. Lean back in my chair and just wait for the margin call. Ain't no magic formula, ain't no crystal ball, it's just knowing a brick wall. When you see a brick wall, they chase the sugar high. I just wait for the crash, cause slow and steady's how you make the real cash. That's the front porch payout, easy as can be. While they sweating bullets, it's a payday for me. Tip my hat to the moon, then I bet on the fall. Lean back in my chair and just wait for the margin call. Yep, there it goes, right on schedule. Time to close it out. Another day, another front porch payout. Yeah, I remember that ticker about a week ago, lit up every screen. Man, what a show. Headlines were buzzing, volume through the roof. Everybody screaming out that bulletproof proof. They were chasing green candles, thought it'd never been, swearing this was it, that I would never end. But I've seen this movie, I read this page before, and I was just waiting for them to find the door. Now the crickets are chirping on the forums and threads. All the to the moon boys, they just went to bed. The news anchors moved on, found a shinier car, and now it's just a number, wondering where the buyers are. Support lines are cracking, but nobody hears the sound, cause they're all busy chasing the new talk of the town. They left this one behind like an old summer trend. But that's where my story, my friend, begins. Cause it's a sleepy fade, ain't no fireworks now, just a slow motion river rolling south. All the buyers are ghosts, the volume's drying up. Sipping on my coffee, filling up my cup. I ain't fighting the trend, I'm just riding the slide, letting that red position quietly ride. It's just a slow bleed, easy as a shade, making my day on this sleepy fade. It's not about the panic, it's not about the crash, it's not that sudden 100-yard dash. It's the slow unwind, the return to me, the prettiest red chart I've ever seen. Every little rally gets sold right back down, like the air's letting out of a carnival clown. No drama here, just a simple truth. The party's over and I'm checking out the proof. Yeah, it's a sleepy fade, ain't no fireworks now, just a slow motion river rolling south. All the buyers are ghosts, the volume's drying up. Sipping on my coffee, filling up my cup. I ain't three, they like the battle, the push and the pull. But I just wait till the room ain't full. I wait for the quiet, I wait for the still. When that rock is just a rock rolling back down the hill. Cause it's a sleepy fade, ain't no fireworks now, just a slow motion river rolling south. All the buyers are ghosts, the volume's drying up. Sipping on my coffee, filling up my cup. I ain't fighting the trend, I'm just sliding the slide, letting that red position quietly ride. Yeah, it's just a slow bleed, easy as a shade, making my day on this sleepy fade. This sleepy fade, just writing it down, volume's all gone, back to normal, just a sleepy fade.
Man, just this one, I can't even look at the scanner. I know I'm wrong, but I just gotta get it back. Just one more trade.
Yeah. 6 a.m. the screens got that pale blue light. Got a whole damn watch list, but it don't feel right. Cause my eyes are glued, man, I'm locked in tight to the one damn name that ruined my last night. Swore I was done, swore I'd walk away, but I saw that pre-market dip, thought this is the play. I went all in and it bled all day. Now I'm stuck here staring, turning cold and gray. This ain't a trade, it's a toxic romance. I hate this ticker, but I'll give it one more chance. Short in the sunlight, long in the night, doing everything backwards, stuck in this fight. I'm just spiraling, yeah, I'm spiraling. This one damn ticker got my head unraveling. Tryna fight a trend, but the trend is traveling. Up without me, down with me, yeah, I'm spiraling. My P&L is bleeding, my whole world is caving in. Missing all the runners that my skin is saving. But I'm stuck right here on this hell I'm paving, just spiraling, yeah, I'm spiraling. My other monitors flashing, they plus setups, calling that other tickers breaking out a straight up hauling. My phone is blowing up, my trading group is brawling. You seeing this move? Man, I'm busy falling back in love with the pain, I guess. Adding to a loser, man, I'm such a mess. This ain't risk management, it's just a game of chess, where I'm the only pawn, filled with stress. I see the right move, but my hands won't click. This ticker's like a drug, man, it's making me sick. I just wanna break even, need that one last trick, but the hole just gets deeper, brick by brick. I'm just spiraling, yeah, I'm spiraling. This one damn ticker got my head unraveling. Tryna fight the trend, but the trend is traveling. Up without me, down with me, yeah, I'm spiraling. My P&L is bleeding, my whole world is caving in. Missing all the runners that my scan is saving. But I'm stuck right here on this hell I'm paving, just spiraling, yeah, I'm spiraling. Is this addiction, or is it just pride? Can't admit I'm wrong, but nowhere left to hide. Got this tunnel vision, everything else died. It's just me and this chart, side by side. I hate this stock, but I can't let it go. It's a sick obsession, watching my account blow. This was never the plan, man, I used to know how to cut the loss, how to let it go. I'm just spiraling, yeah, I'm spiraling. This one damn ticker got my head unraveling. Tryna fight the trend, but the trend is traveling. Up without me, down with me, yeah, I'm spiraling. My P&L is bleeding, my whole world is caving in. Missing all the runners that my scan is saving. But I'm stuck right here on this hell I'm paving, just spiraling, yeah, I'm spiraling. Spiraling. Down, down, down. It's everything for what? For this one damn name. Same time tomorrow, I guess.
Good morning, Green Team. I do not want to be spiraling today as that song went over. Guys, hope you're doing well this Wednesday. PCSA just opened up. It's just so comical what they do with these things. PCSA, good alert, Doug in the Discord. So they were doing a 1-to-25 reverse split because they're under $1. So bid price rule. They'll get delisted if they stay under the dollar for 6 months. So they do the reverse split. The company's halted pending the news. PCSA 9 a.m. is gonna 9 a.m. The ticker's gonna come unhalted, and the news pending was positive phase 2 data for this pharmaceutical company. So you see these tickers doing this quite often. It's pretty funny. I mean, the PR team got to be on top of it. It's like, okay, we're going to halt pending news, but this is our opportunity. We're going to reverse split. It's going to be a low float. We're going to have just the slightest demand is going to send this thing through the roof, in which case we could dump our shares. Of course, an edge in small caps always when companies are broke and when there's FOMO present. So PCSA shoots straight up towards 10. It's heavy right now. It's real heavy. I mean, the opening price on the thing on the 25 reverse split, it was like 330, 335, something like that. So it's sitting right at where it opened up, even with that positive phase 2 data. So we'll monitor the action. Tuna Signal joining the Discord. Let's go. Tuna Signal AI. Welcome to the Green Team Discord. Good to have you part of the team, Mr. Tuna. Yeah, so PCSA, I mean, there's going to certainly be eyes here now. Right now, ISPO is the little low float play pumping, but that was just an acquisition. I'll show you guys the chart on that. Yeah, ISPO right at 904 started shooting off. I didn't see any news there. The news came out 907, so freaking insiders. 907, they're trading higher after the exclusive investments. So that's a company. Exclusive investments announced it will acquire this company for $4.27 per share in cash. I got that $4 cash. $4. $4 holla. You guys remember when you used to be able to get $5 foot long? $4 holla, $4 foot long. I don't know what they're going for now these days, but probably $10. But $4.27 in cash acquisition ISPO. It's probably going to trade relatively similar to PETS. You guys remember PETS yesterday was Grant Cardone's company was Cardone Ventures makes an unsolicited bid to acquire PetMed for $89 million in cash, but that was at a price of $4.25. So that's where it's pretty much set, PETS, right around that $4.25. So you just got to be mindful. The acquisitions normally just get stagnant and they sit around, they gravitate towards that intrinsic value, which is where the price is vexed in at, really. So Pets 425, and then ISPO. ISPO is a low flow. It's 5 million in flow. So I mean, perhaps. Oh no, well, I got 1.68 million too. I just, they could pump it on up, but the acquisition at 427 should stay around there. A lot of acquisitions will stay around that price. All right, so Doug, good alert, PCSA. Good morning to you as well. Man, I wish I would have had orders out on PCSA. That thing just shot straight up and went straight down, and it's sitting right at its open price. Almost feels dead, Doug. Right at the open price. So it's like that phase 2 positive data is not even factored into this yet. All right, we got a few to look at, guys, this morning, but yeah, just have those on watch. Those are the plays right now. ISPO, PCSA. How comical. How comical. To reverse split with the news. They do that. I've seen that over the years. Oftentimes, they'll do that. PR team. News with the reverse split to create a bigger demand, push the ticker higher, raise capital, that sort of thing. All right. Speaking of pharmaceutical plays, though, we have another ticker that failed their phase 3 data. Oh, okay. So they had a bunch of warrants sitting there. All right. So, I mean, there's still meat here potentially. Then they're going to push it back down under $1. Reverse split again. How often can companies reverse split? So, like, once a year? I don't know. I don't know how often they can reverse split. Yeah. So phase three data. What ticker was it that failed? One of these tickers failed. Phase three. There might still be wiggle room on it too. It's somewhere around here. I'll get to it. CPAC guys, CPAC a little bit of a hangover here. I like it. CPAC real similar to the hangover we caught yesterday. ARTV. ARTV, Byron in the building. Byron getting a massive payout over in the futures land. He's been killing it. So if you guys have questions regarding futures, he is the head honcho of the green team, the CEO of the futures department in the green team. So let him know if you have any questions. He is making moves over there. ARTV, I'm looking for a similar pattern recognition of that. CPAC looks good. Less volume on this one, so it might be a little thinly traded relative to ARTV, but decent setup going into today. All right, Mr. Fades in the wings. Fades, happy to be on here with you today. Good morning. How are you?
Good morning, guys. Good. How's your pre-market been?
I took a loss. One trade I took, I think it was on beat. I took a beat. Ah, shoot, I top ticked it too. Yeah, right
Uh,
around the 420s. I like the beat
Still
chart. Still
grinding,
looks
huh?
good.
Still
Yeah,
grinding,
dude. She's
huh?
still grindy. So I want to be there when this thing starts profit taking. But yeah, I took a loss on that so far. But the chart looks
Yeah,
good. What about
I
you?
haven't
How's your
taken
pre
any
market?
trades yet.
Okay.
Slept in a little bit. I checked the pre-market. I didn't see much going on. Just some cheap pennies up a little bit, so I just dozed back off.
Yeah.
AMCI though did give it up on in after hours. It did its
That's
liquidity sweep. It pumped right into 4 o'clock, took everyone out, trapped everyone, and turned bearish the whole rest of the day. Um, But now what? Is it? It's gonna be one to watch, but it's been a favorite. It's been a bull favorite and a public favorite. So I'm not like crazy about the short just because of that, but it might be something there. Um,
I love AMCI. The thing is it going to be crowded today? But you're right. They did the
right.
liquidity sweep into the close. So they got the bulls. I mean, they got their fake out breakout. But similar to ARTV again, that was like, that was the big play on Monday and Tuesday, absolute crickets. So
Hmm.
we have to see on AMCI, is it going to be crickets? Because if it's crickets, then it's going to be profits
Yeah.
working
So
that
that
thing
one's
down.
definitely worth watching. But yeah, like kind of vibe it out of the bell. Like, is the herd there? Are they halting it up and down? Like, do we want it? Is it gambly today, or is it kind of given more of a risk level and clear trend?
Mhm.
RZLT, guys, the forbidden, forgotten long. I don't know if anyone
Forbidden
grabbed that thing at the bottom, but it's been creeping up, and God knows where that thing's going. RZLT, reverse long bull bear hybrid today. It's gonna be one to watch.
Fade's turning into the dead cat bounce guru.
I had a bunch of shares in the mid ones. I wish I would have just held it. I saw it yesterday. It looked so bullish yesterday, but I just got occupied with some other names. But
Yeah.
yeah, that could definitely be a long swing, guys. So I'm gonna be watching that one. If it gets any more love of the bell, I'm gonna be taking a starter. Um, AZI, that one's been, they released more fluff news. Saw some people calling for just, BS on the boards, but they're trying to keep that thing going with another PR.
Uh,
AZI. Let me
despite
see.
all these gap ups she keeps having, every day's been a red day.
Yeah, it's just like, yeah, like, I don't know, trappy, weird action there. Yeah. Let me take a look at the list here.
VTGN, Doug, you got. Oh, that was the phase three fail. Okay. Yep. Thank you,
Might
Doug.
have, yeah, might have to
Uh,
go through like even the 1 month chart to see if any hangovers are still present. So we got Olma. That one's still hanging around. Olma. But Capper and SMX are still very interesting. They're still up a lot, guys. So both of those are going to have a good bit of money.
ooh, yeah, I like Capper. Look, Capper almost looks identical to that one we traded yesterday.
Yeah, I really like Capper. I've stocked it. I had a great trade on it Monday. Yesterday, it just kind of flatlined, but it didn't get love, right? So is today the
Mhm.
day for that downtrend to just kind of trickle lower? And guys, this is one of those plays where you can really size it because the spreads are tight. It's not as manipulative. It's not as choppy, and you can see a point or two drop and really make some coin on that. So, let's see.
I'm on the
So
button.
Capper and let's see.
Yeah, Capper looks real similar to, and honestly, GPCR is the one we worked yesterday, but Capper looks real similar, and
Yeah, that was a
GPCR,
good call. Yeah, it's that type of vibe. More expensive, cleaner fade, had its big move, kind of more predictable, feels like. You're not going to get rich quick. It's not going to elevate her down 30%, but it's a nice, clean, sleepy fade.
GPCR could have more meat to fade on this thing too. Had a little
Yeah.
pop to 65. It was clean at the bell. Let's keep our eyes on that one too. But what else you
hmm
got? Give us them hot picks.
Yeah, let me see. Besides that, we got. Not seeing a ton, to be honest. That AFJK, I still like that one. I still like AFJK. It's just so illiquid.
Yeah.
But I feel like there's a trade there still. What did
So
it do? It put a candle all the way to 20 this morning and bounced back to 28. So it's one you got to go real small size, but that could be a sign. This thing might be headed sub 20. If you can get involved high 20s and it goes sub 20, that's a pretty good chunk. Um,
so
just an
traders,
idea.
I'm working on trade the pull. I'm working on this tier system. I messaged them this morning. I'm like, look, this would be amazing if you had a tier structure. It'd probably be great for their business and great for the traders, like incentivize traders to get the different accounts. Because, like, what I was saying was, let's say you get a 5K or 25K funded. Now you unlocked that tier. So you're like funded for life at that tier. You just have to pay to like reset it if you go into a max
I
loss.
think it'd be fair to pay like two or three times what an eval would cost to just get funded again. Maybe it's like
And
because
well, One Stop
you're
Shop
paying
does that.
you're bringing your pot. You're coming out of pocket a good little chunk, but you've also proven. The problem is like a lot of the money is made off evals and stuff. Like we know that, but it's also like the psychology. Like you're talking about, like our point of view, the psychology is so screwed up when you blow a funded and then you're on the eval and then all you're thinking about is targets and profits and romanticizing funded, and it's just like that psychology loop that's tough. So really the
That
way to go is what you've done this whole time, been consistent. You're not a degen on the eval, you're consistent. You're consistent on the eval, you got funded, you're consistent on the funded, you got to pay out. You had a little bit of chop, a really rough week or two we had, but ideally, that's how you guys want to trade. You don't want to just be degen on these evals because those habits will bleed into the funded one way or the other. Like you got to find more system and structure with your trading. I do, say be a little more aggressive on the evals, of course, but just know the game, right? Just understand the big picture, like what's going on.
Yeah, that One Stop Shop, I think it's called, prop firm. They do that where we're just discussing. Like you could pay for a funded, and it's like double.
Mm-hmm. And that's just futures.
No, it's the equities. We were messaging about it a few days
Okay.
ago.
Yeah. Yeah. Because I would definitely want to look into, setting up shop or maybe even having, some liquid, a futures account liquid to, capitalize on like a Trump tweet or, some major move like that.
Yeah,
Because, you can trade those trends in certain circumstances like that. So
I think
eventually
it
going to
was.
graduate and move on and, open up shop there. But right now we're focused on what we got going here.
Yeah,
So.
yeah, yeah. UDMY is hitting highs right now. UDMY,
Okay. Yeah.
they're
As far as
90
King of the
million
Days,
for
I
market cap.
haven't seen much of the King of the Day that's really got my attention as far as a first day short yet. Yeah, DBVT. Yeah, GPCR. That thing continued to fade all day, didn't it? Yeah, I covered for a small gain, but it actually faded a lot more. You're right. That one doesn't look bad at all. Definitely gonna be
Yeah,
watching that for
yeah, yeah.
continuation.
And I
And then
like your Capper.
Capper kind of like needs to confirm. it's base in here. So we need to see Capper like wash under 26 and start getting heavy. That's
Yeah.
probably I probably won't touch it until that happens. Um,
Paula, yeah, AMCI, we're monitoring the action there. It's going to be real similar to the thesis there is going to be real similar to ARTV, the short yesterday. We want to see just volume dead. Like we don't want to see the bulls congregating there. So AMCI definitely interested in a short because there's a lot of meat on
and
AMCI, but we need to see crickets at the bell or look at all this resistance into 13 of 15 now.
it's SMX, honestly, guys. You know, if I just had to say one, it's got to be that one because it's up 12. It's up 1,300% still. Dilution's
I
coming
like
first
the
of the
chart.
year. I took a starter there again. You know, the spread's kind of shot, but I do have a starter there going into the bell. It's my only position right now.
Yeah, I like it. SMX really good. Risk levels 150.
It's
If you
been printing for us every day. It's just tricky if you get trapped in the reclaims because sometimes they will reclaim it like $20 randomly and then wash it back.
fact
So
that
you
it's
just can't
still
get too
holding
fast.
up here like this. I mean, you did still
Right.
holding up
But
clean.
it's unwinding though. It's kind of got that bouncy ball like breakdown kind of feel to it.
Yeah.
You know. So what about Wave? What's that one doing? Saw you pull that one out.
Oh, I don't think
That one,
waves. I
nothing
don't know.
there.
It's kind of base in 16. Monitor
Yeah,
that level.
it's just kind of one of those grinders. It's just staying put where it
I
landed.
think at the bell, there's a few. I like the GPCR still. That 20-day chart looks great. Capper that you mentioned looks really good too. And then AMCI, we need to monitor what AMCI is going to be doing at the bell. There's a few others like BAT. BAT definitely has a trade there. It's just still hanging out. I mean, it's up from 70 cents to 420. So
Right.
it's
Just like have it on a chart, kind of stalking it, and watch for a death candle kind of
pet
vibe.
right. Pets
Like the
Pets
AMC.
is Pets is hangover-ish, but it's the Cardone acquisition at 420 that's sketch there. It might just sit around.
Okay.
Um, hey, hang on. Let me RADX. Huh. RADX. I mean, there's still maybe a little meat there, but not a whole lot.
That was one. Yeah, we were looking at that, weren't
Oh, CLYM's pretty good. CLYM, this one's just on like a day. It's
we?
had
Yeah,
7 green days back to back on CLYM. So, I mean, this is actually a decent looking chart here for maybe some
mm,
profit taken today. Look at that 480 level. It's pretty good.
mm-hmm. Yeah, it is. I'll add that to the watch.
Yeah, CLYM. I like it. I like it. I like it.
I like it.
We want to see it kind of heavy against previous close, maybe the 480 still. Maybe she pops, then profit takes. We'll monitor the action there. A lot to look at with a couple minutes going into the bell. So
Yeah, I'm gonna. I gotta
Vero
keep watching 4 or 5 of them at the bell and seeing what we got here.
Vero's
Uh,
got pretty clean 240 for 240 resistance. I
that
mean,
one was pumpy too, and it's they had like bad earnings or something, right? Yeah, that's not a
yeah,
bad one to be watching either.
yeah, 240 is real good risk
It
there.
did continue to get that rally, but then it just washed out and just wiped the Bulls out eventually yesterday. Um, yeah. So yeah, Vero. Um,
O'Reilly Auto Parts is still at highs.
that's-
Riley, that one was on earnings, RILY, but there's that one's at highs right now. There's a
okay.
decent chunk of things to look at today, so I'm sure I'm going to be missing something. But VMAR, what an after hours little trappy play, dude. And I even saw some like highly reputable traders that have been in the
Right.
game
Oh my
like for 10,
God.
15, 10,
Yeah,
15 years. Like these guys were saying,
that
like,
move
I'm,
is just
I'm not, some of these guys were saying, I'm not trading until something is essentially screaming because there's been so much trappy action in small caps on both the long and short side that it's
Yeah,
like
that was disgusting. That chart was just gross. Like that after hour, it just kept pumping into after hours, then it washed right back to where it landed. Like that's just so gross. Who's
that's
doing that?
awful.
Ugh. Yeah.
But hey, it could have made its move. And look, VMAR could head down to like 50 cents today. I mean, I think it's
I
definitely
almost
worth.
shorted BMAR yesterday, and then it started pumping into after hours, and I don't know. The gut was just telling me like, it's the king of the day. They want to give it some more. But then I stepped away, and I watched it punt. It dumped from 140 back to 80. Like, oof, that hurt to miss that. But
Mhm.
FOMO's always gonna be there. I could have got chopped out in the front side before I got the top. So, you know.
Yeah, it was good discipline for you to do that.
All right, but yeah. So we got the. See, so what would you say your top watch is right now? I don't know
Oh
if I
god,
have a
dude.
top one. I mean, I guess SMX is gonna be,
Since you're
um,
in that one.
yeah, and I'll probably be looking to add.
I think AMCI is going to be top watch. I want to see what it's going to do at the bell.
Yeah, yeah, like that.
And here's the bell traders. Good morning, Emmanuel. All right. See what kind of action we get here at the bell. Let's focus. Let's find some halts too, Doug. See what's halting up and down. AMCI, if she's gonna crick it out here and go into a halt down, I'm interested because she's weak right now.
Yeah, if there's a halt you guys see, call it out.
I'm just a little hesitant with AMCI. It could be a little trappy. I want to see where the bulls are gonna head. Slowly motivate into
GPCR
beta.
has a big bit, has a big ask at 6, has a big ask stack. Let's see if that's real. I do like that play, man. That was a good trade yesterday. If it's gonna continue to again. Okay, the ask got bought.
I'm gonna get involved with
Capper,
AMCI a little bit. AMCI, I'm just gonna sprinkle. If it pops up to
Capper
20,
alert. Capper just printed new lows. VMAR dumped.
all right, I'm gonna get involved with Capper.
Yeah, we take
AMCI, I'm with, but AMCI, I have a small feeler on it. 26.
CLYM dumped, bro. Is that the death candle?
Damn it.
CLYM. I think I'm gonna take a small starter there. It's chasey, but that was a big dump.
I knew I was gonna miss something. There's a lot to look at.
Yeah, you called that one.
CLYM. Yeah, I mean it could just be the beginning there. She's got a lot of room to drop. 460's decent risk guy. Let's I'm gonna try to catch it on a pop here too. I'm gonna hit CLYM, the 425-ish.
Yeah, I mean it feels good what it just did there.
450's risk guide, 455 risk guide.
SMX little bounce. Look to add into it if it gets more. I said that random $20 pop to expect.
Yeah, CLYM looking good. SMX, what's she doing?
She's
Oh, a
giving
little
a
pop.
little pop.
Little pop there. RZ it was no,
Market
that's
could get irrational, and I'll go back to that one if it's a slow day. Like, oh, SMX is still up. Yeah, let's go to the moon.
RZLV AI play hitting some highs right now.
CLYM working.
Yeah, I went a little heavy there. CPAC was another hangover, but it's thin and spready. CLYM working great, guys. I'm in good there
Yeah, it's
too.
looking juicy. She's looking juicy. There we go. Pump it. Dump it. Bag holder wastelands.
Good.
So 350 is key there. 360 area. RZLT, I'm gonna be stalking that one. Like I said, guys, see if it can, selling off a little bit right now, but keep an eye on that candle. And manipulate it and squeeze it up. This thing could get crazy.
AMCI.
The RZLT.
Yeah. I'm in AMCI, CAPR, and CLYM
Is
right now.
AMCI getting rowdy, or is it kind of slowing
It's
down?
quiet. It's quiet. It's
Okay.
actually feeling kind of good.
Well, we know how that can be at Bell when things feel
Yeah.
good.
Yeah.
That probably means a get out.
Yeah. Yeah. If it feels good, it might be a sin. So I don't know. All right. This is let's flip through a few.
Did Capper do like a fake out dump and reclaim? Is that what we're doing here? Tested
PC,
low, sweat back.
PCSA is halted up. PCSA. Okay, there's our halt. Dang it, dude. That probably would have been a good one to smack. UDMY has been heavy off of 720. VMAR heavy.
PCSA halted up. I'm not seeing that.
Oh, were you in the chat for that one? So that one, they reverse split, dude, and had they did a 1 for 25 reverse split and came out with positive phase 2 data. Pets is a hangover right now working out. But I don't know, man. I mean,
Down 3%.
I think I'll stab at Pets against up towards 4. I don't know. I'm not sure I'm in love with it. The acquisition news.
Mm-hmm.
But I'll stab at it. I'll give it a try. Against 4. CLYM popping up. I may even hit this more.
Yeah,
Pets.
not popping up much though. Not. It's kind of just sputtering out, really.
AMCI kind of hanging out. Yeah, so that one might be kind of.
SMX had its little pop. It's been doing that little pop. It's been struggle bus around 140, so if 130 area holds strong. AMCI, I feel on that one to get a starter. I'll chase it if it washes here. It's the starter.
It's feeling good.
SMX kind of feeling a little heavier again. That might be the pop it's done, but keep an eye.
PCSA, I want to see where this one's going to open up out of this halt, which is going to be soon if it's 5 minutes. PCSA, that one we could work the halt on PCSA.
Okay, how much is it up? Let me ask the watch.
The
See it on my
reverse
screen.
split was 330, so it's
Okay, yeah,
not
it's
up
up
much.
23%. Yeah, okay.
Let me see when that's going to open up. PCSA 9:4 halt time, resume time 9:41 at $4 the resume price.
CLYM, what was that thing even moving on?
Oh,
Just
yeah, I
hype.
don't
Hot air.
know.
Price action today says it was hot air. Capper
Wow.
feeling a little bit better again. That thing could honestly just sit at 26 all day. Like, don't be surprised if it does. Yeah, SMX deciding if it wants to get more love or roll back over.
Pets is kind of looking
AMPI,
good too. PTS feeling kind of good, but I mean 390 this previous close. So monitor that level. PTS. But PCSA is the one I'm watching out of this halt, guys. 9:41 is the resume time. It's going to open up at $4. She can get real froggy.
leap, girl.
And then AMCI is just I still have an eye on AMCI because ask is stacking up AMCI. I'm gonna hit it again. AMCI, I'm hitting it again.
Okay. I see what you're seeing.
AMCI.
I'm seeing what you're
AMC,
seeing.
if it's gonna go down
Is
into
it
a
gonna
halt,
confirm? Is it gonna confirm? I
Man,
did
this
smack a starter, hands on trigger to cover.
hands on trigger to add, dude, because this thing is gonna be
Hey, I'm
pain.
adding.
It's gonna go down into a halt, maybe.
It's right there at halt, it feels like. I
I'm
think it's
adding.
triggering a halt, bro.
I'm
That
adding.
was a
I'm adding.
fake
I'm adding.
halt.
Adding.
Fake long halt. I took mine and resmacked smaller. Added. Yeah, it's feeling heavy, bro. See, I don't think they're gonna fake it. It might actually be done. It actually
Well,
feels like it should have halted by now, huh?
I'm up pretty decent on. I might do the same thing. Take some off and resmack. AMCI guys, who's working this? This is exactly the thesis we were working with. I want to see it go into a halt down. PCSA, I want to monitor that one though. Out
It
of
might
the
just drop another dollar here. It's feeling kind of heavy now. Haven't had a spike back up yet. Bulls are starting to panic. Max leverage warriors are like, wait, what?
Let's go, AMCI lower. I want to see this down into a halt.
Let's go.
Keep us updated,
I'm
guys,
just
on PC.
scalping it to protect myself, dude, from a random spike. But taking 2 scalps. I'm in it again. Smaller. It's just this name has been tough in this market, so I'm not gonna get burned on a reclaim. I got leftovers at this point. I'll add into strength. Or I'll smack it again if it like washes under 10 type. Okay.
I feel like the
SFX
10s and 10 might be
behaving.
inevitable.
COYM, I wonder if it can somehow find base at 4.
Is
I don't think so.
PCSA opened up
It
yet?
was heavy.
God dang it, dude.
What?
I just PCSA. I wanted. I want to be there for that one.
It's
Missed
all
it.
good, bro. You can't be everywhere. Focus on what you're working and execute. RZLT dip and rip, guys, from 1.8 back to over 2. Damn it. Should have took that.
PCSA.
I have it a little bit more to AMCI.
Okay.
Fingers on the trigger, though. Covering quick if I see a spike. COYM working out.
Yep. I really wanted to see AMCI into a halt down, but
I mean, it's not buying back up, so that's a good sign so far.
well,
There it goes.
yeah.
Yeah, it's like you just gotta scalp. You gotta protect what you got in this market. No matter how biased you are, it's what it feels like.
We'll see
Big
how
picture
heavy it's going to be.
hard stuff sometimes, but this one does feel good though. It does feel good.
It feels real good to roll over.
Because it's been running for days, so there's a lot of people that are like in profit that need to secure it, like from 250.
Yeah.
Pressure down again.
All right. Yeah, let's Let's see it go to 10. I mean, I think a decent area to take a piece, like just something off, probably under 10. When it's this close to 10, it's gonna likely
Mm-hmm.
pull down to it.
Mm. Climb, working well.
Yeah,
S
yeah,
and
yeah.
Max. That's the one
How's
that the
she doing?
Warriors are pumping on. 22% up.
I want to see
Interesting.
flush under 10, dude. Flush under 10. I'll probably take just something off. Halt down would be freaking awesome. All right, when are we opening up? 9:46 on PCSA. Okay, I want to be there for that. 9:46.
I went ahead and took profit on Climb and resmacked it. Just in case the 10-cent headache or whatever. Still heavy though. We still got sellers.
Yeah, things have been working pretty well here lately. Okay, within the within a minute, PCSA is going to open up. We're in a little descending triangle AMCI, by the way.
RZLT is pumpy. RZLT might squeeze, guys. I called for RZLT alert. Oh, I'm taking some.
AMCI, I'm just monitoring this action real carefully. It's
Feels
like
really
next leg.
good.
Yeah, it feels great. Next leg down's likely, or I mean, something's about to happen here.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, it's one to lean into at this point, it feels like. But with your stops obviously set.
Here we go, AMCI. Let's head down to 10 now.
Let's go. Smacker in Oblivion, boys.
Is PCSA open yet? Are we halting down?
Let's go.
Stay heavy though.
Yeah,
I'll
that wick you called for, under 9. You might have read it like a fiddle.
I took half off.
Staying heavy. Yeah, if you took some off, that's good. It's been staying heavy, though.
PCSA opened is about to open up. Attention's there for me.
COYM working out great.
Yeah. All right, PCSA open price is 556. Damn it. I would have
Is
been
it
in
pumping
that
or
too.
dumping?
It's pumping up.
Okay. Hmm.
But
Yeah,
this is
you had the right read on it. You just weren't right there when you needed to be.
yeah, it's all good.
Yeah, AMCI. I mean, this could be the beginning of the reversal there under 10. It did snap back pretty hard, but overall, it's feeling heavy. It's feeling pretty heavy. So.
All right, PCSA, what are we doing? Is it going into another? Okay, 9:51 is the resume time now. It's opening up at 5:56. God dang it. All right, yeah, AMCI. I'm gonna adjust. I'm gonna put a stop on it
Feeling
here.
good.
It's
Yeah,
feeling great.
I'd just get real tight with your stops, yeah.
Yeah. And then CLYM's working out so well. God, dude, CLYM's great.
Great eye there. Great eye.
Yes, sir.
I leaned into that one. Yeah, that's making the day right now. Everything else, AMCI as well. AMCI and SMX, I took at L. Cappers Coming back a little bit. Might cover that. RZLT is still like that for the long big picture at this point, way it's trading.
Pets is kind of decent. I mean, it's whatever. It's not
AMC,
doing
I
too much.
feel like it might just be needing to go another dollar down. The way it's acting. What do they want to do with it? It's got that feel where, like you said, it's going to move one way or the other pretty violently. Like, are they going to sweep it back up, or are they just going to end it?
Right. Yeah, yeah. They're going to do something here soon with it.
Sweepers.
That was so predictable, though, the sweep under 10. Like,
Yeah, that was a great eye there. Yeah, great eye.
PCSA is going to be what I'm looking at because I can hit that one pretty good. If like, especially if we go down into a halt down, I want to be ready for it.
Okay.
RZLT, dang, that AI play has been dumping. All right. CLYM. I may re-hit CLYM. I took profits off on it, but
Yeah.
oh my god.
Let's see. SMX could be a good entry level here, guys. Off 150. But who knows? They might want to just roar it up.
Yeah, I saw tuna IRBT's kind of climbing back up after they're saying they're going private too. Why are people buying them?
Oh Lord.
Pets looking good, cracking to lows on the day. PCSA has my attention right now, traders. Should be opening up here soon. All right, PCSA.
Yeah.
We're gonna open up
Looks
560.
like that was the reversal for now off that 9. That was a good eye. Or under 9, under 10 sweep. Yeah. Let me get some more coffee.
PCSA is about to open up, dude. Don't get coffee. Yeah, don't get coffee.
What are you doing, shorting it?
I'm just gonna see what the price action does, but it's opening up a point higher, dude. Oh my god, is the resume time extended now? Dude, I'm so mad I messed that halt up. All right, so it's been over 10 minutes now for PCSA. Resume time, maybe 9. Oh, we just opened. PCSA, we just opened. I'm gonna buy a few shares because 100,000 are coming into this, dude. 100 plus thousand. I'm gonna buy a few, but I'm sketched out buying this thing up here.
Huh.
125,000 just closed that, and already the resume price is at like 650. I was sketched buying this thing up here though. I gotta hit the head. I'll be right back.
Okay, it halted, you're in?
Oh yeah.
Dialed in. SMX, guys, looks like that might have been the top move there.
Doug, why couldn't you get in that? GF, yeah, funded account shorting is great. I mean, just being able to short anything at TTP is great. That's like my favorite feature about it. And
Mhm.
Baron, oh my God, Baron RZLV top ticked it. That's so brutal to watch that thing sell off. I'm sorry to hear that, man. It's like when you're having a day or week like that, it's probably ought to just press the brakes because it's bleeds over.
AMCI guys.
We're opening up now PCSA at the same exact price here, $5.95. It looks like. So I might get wrecked on this. I'm probably gonna take
Yeah, be careful, man.
take
It's
it off.
gambling. It's just gambling. Call
It
for it.
is. But the last two halts, dude, the gap of a point. I mean,
Yeah, I
that's
mean,
what
you
I'm.
do find edge sometimes in those halts, so it's like, the risk reward. It's there.
Yes.
AMCI though, um,
Is it
close
going
to
further
this
down?
and then SMX put in its move there. Looks like.
Yeah, PCSA might open up at 595, resume 957 within 2 minutes. With 126,000 shares on the bid right there, it's kind of hard to imagine this opening up right here. But
Hmm.
if it starts going to a halt down on massive volume, I'll reverse. PETS has been kind of working out too, man. PETS.
Okay.
It was a sketchy hangover just because of the acquisition news, but
Yeah.
yeah, GFYCBD. Those marijuana plays have been up and down the last few days, really.
Wiki Wonka. Wiki Wonka. Witchy Watcha.
Witchy watcha.
AMCI, man. I mean, what are they doing? I mean, what more do they have? 10.5 is a pretty damn clear risk level. 10.5, 10.6 now. Volume slowing down.
PCSA, if this is opening up. Does anyone have the resume price? I'm probably taking it off right out of this if it's opening up right here. It's going to open up on a 5 minute within this minute. Watch it open up like a point lower. I've seen it happen. Not fun. 595 you got. Yeah. All right. No gappy wappy on this one. Doesn't look like.
Happy Wonder.
I'm probably going to take it off
Gapology.
now. See where she's going to open.
AMCI is slowing down a lot, guys. It's feeling good.
All right.
CLYM
Oh, boy.
reclaimed that whole move. Oh my god, dude. Is it time to rehab? What is this thing doing? God, the
Climb.
reclaim theme, bro. Look at CLYM.
I stopped out 401 or 2.
Oh
I
my
adjusted
god.
it.
Is it
Did it?
time to re-add off that level? Oh my god, I think I have to.
Yeah, Doug, I'm feeling the same way. Especially if it opens up right here, I'd just want to probably get out of it and then maybe revisit into a halt down or next halt up. Wonder why you couldn't get involved with it, PCSA. But it looks like we're going into a 10-minute halt. 10:02. I gotta have my finger on the trigger here, guys, because I took this one into the halt.
This thing's got a ton of volume. AMCI squeezing up.
Let me know if it's going into a
There
halt.
it goes.
I'm the halt DGen.
Yeah, you're the
DGen
Hulk
Master
King.
5.
Hulk King over here.
Okay, Doug. Dang. Hopefully that was to your benefit. Are you in this, or are you just waiting? Good man. Patience. Good. All right. 10:02. Resume price $6 now. They have it. 10:02. I see 6. Yeah, I want to work both sides of PCSA. That's the idea. Take the long up and then take the elevator down. That's the idea. Whether it executes well, we'll see.
COYM. Yeah, the reclaim theme, man. Epic. Wow.
Yeah, they were doing that with a few plays yesterday too. It was aggravating. How's SMX been?
She's kind of stalled out. Not stalled out, but as far as like the pump it put in, it went to 150 and rejected. So
Okay.
AMCI, that was a true sweep under 9 there, or under 10. We called for that. It's like the price kind of changed the vibe after that. They could just be rounding up bulls, but it's kind of trappy right now. AMCI. We climb for the dump back down, the tight risk.
6 is the open price. PCSA at 10:02. Fingers on the trigger. If this thing sees selling pressure, I'm just going to jump out and then either ride the elevator down.
Vero looks pretty good too for big picture.
Okay.
But it's kind of slower probably. Yeah. AMCI, still stocking that, waiting for it to confirm here.
612 resume price, opening up within 50 seconds. 615 resume price, 614.
PCSA, okay. So reverse split and news.
625, 630. The resume price is shooting up there. Okay.
Oh my god, dude. Yeah, definitely a squeezer type play.
Is it going to go 650? Is it going into another halt up is the question. Fingers on the trigger here, guys. 653. 660. I don't know how accurate it is, but good. Going up into another halt. Another halt up, guys. I'm going to buy some more shares, maybe a little bit. Buying a little bit more. Average 630.
Huh.
Oh, boy. All right. DGen Trading 101. Learn all about it here. Everyday Trading Green Team.
God, yeah, what have you turned into? Oh, Lord.
You gotta get the heart rate up, man, because I had you gotta get the
PCSA. Wow,
cholesterol. I gotta get that down a little bit. No better way to do that than get the heart rate up.
It's all optimal.
Uh,
Cheap
oh
penny
boy,
pumper Vine. Vine Therapeutics Yarrow to merge. Up 60% pump and dumpish.
bro! All you need is PCSA. What you doing? What you looking at over there?
You're in long, right?
Yeah, in long, and then I'll probably look to. It's the first sign of weakness we see. I'm just taking profits.
Mm-hmm.
And then I might flip short. I mean, just a heads up to you guys. I'm not trying to predict where this is going. I'm
Yeah.
just riding the price action here. If it starts looking weak and turning around, I'll smack it short.
Mm-hmm.
It's tapping 200-day, 50-day, a lot of those areas right now.
Yeah, I'm just studying climb and SMX here.
Okay. I'll take a look. Yeah, climb 440s rejecting off of.
Yeah, so far so good, but the climb's weird. There's like random, like a big flurries of volume going through, so I don't know what they got going on really. SMX.
Emmanuel PCSA. 1,000 invalidated? Oh my god.
Yeah, no. What, in a trade? Uh-oh.
But you already got it back on PCSA.
Yeah, Doug, that's so annoying, right? Yeah, you know my pain. That happened to me the other day on stream. Like sometimes when these tickers halt, they'll jank out and they'll stay grayed out when they resume. So have the portal pulled up on your phone, or if you have that gut feeling, maybe just go ahead and reset your portal during a halt. Yeah, it's annoying.
Doug, I'm a little scared, but I'd be a lot more scared with an average of 714. Are you in short? Oh, hang on. You're looking for the short. Okay, so you got the short. Yeah, I would be scared in all long. I am a little. I mean, I want to take profits on this one. You're long. Ooh. Yeah, I mean, if we get the gap up, let's see, it's 10:07. If it goes to a 10-minute and then that resume price keeps creeping up, I'm probably locking this thing in, dude, when we open because
Yeah, don't get
I'm mad.
greedy, dude. Yeah,
I
don't get
mean,
greedy. Like take some off. If you're up green, good. Go ahead and take some off immediately. Don't even second guess it. But you know how this market can be.
yeah. Take your son to school in 4 minutes. Oh boy.
Then
Oh boy. Your son
one
might
of
have
us
to.
your log in. We'll manage it. Just kidding.
Your son might have to walk to school. Yeah, my son gets off early. That's like the Christmas half day week, so I gotta get off here at
Mm-hmm.
11 at the latest. So I'm hoping I'm not stuck in halts either. That's tough. I
Yeah.
mean, you got to provide for the family, Doug. Kids got to understand that. He's got to understand that. You got to sit your butt down, son. We got money to
Mm-hmm.
make. You want Happy Meals? All right, let's see where we're opening up. We should be opening up soon. If it's 5 minutes. Those Happy Meals don't pay for themselves. Slowly motivate going down to Fades place of residence down in Florida. All right, PCSA. Where are we going to open up?
Oh yeah, Vieira. That's what's up. I don't think that's too far. That's a nice area. I was over there.
Oh
Yeah, I like it over
shit. We're halting down. I'm hitting it down.
there. PCSA. We halt down.
Yeah. Oh, no.
Fake
It's shooting
halt.
higher.
Oh, good God Almighty. Damn. Wow. I don't
Oh,
even know what to do, dude.
I
Are you
got
still
wrecked on
on?
that. No, I flipped short and then I got wrecked on that.
All right. Well, I couldn't resist myself. I took 30 shares. I'm a degenerate. You guys are having too much fun without me, man. I want to get a little baby position in this stupid thing.
God dang it.
Uh,
Yeah, it was the fake halt down, trap shorts, shoot straight back up. Well, it opened up low right there, and it freaked me out. So I took it off, thought we were going into a halt down.
tricky.
Tricky.
COYM's just kind of churning. SMX not rolling over. Just kind of floppy, quiet, floppy.
Doug, you still working it?
Anticipating a reject at 150, 140. So if it's going to get back over 140, then I'll be done.
PCSA. Yeah, I got caught on that. Oh, well.
Yeah, that's the manipulation, dude. That was like super, literally just gambly. Like,
Yeah.
it's tough. Yeah. If you go like really small size and look for a bigger picture move one way or the other, but trying to scalp that action is like, gotta be real with yourself.
Mm-hmm. Okay, 1013 resume 792. AKAN. Take a look. AKAN. Yeah, it's hit that dollar. It's been pulling back off of that.
Climb, a little bit of pressure.
Okay. CLYM, yeah, 440. Still good there.
See that thing rug down to 3.5? That's weird price action there. Yeah, AMCI, ever since that sweep under 10, it turned bullish and grinded. SMX just toying around with that 140 resistance.
Beat, dude. Beat the top tick I had, but beat was a good hangover too.
Oh boy.
Snap.
Yeah, it was actually green on the day and washed back to even. Okay, interesting. That's how I didn't catch it because I was looking at my watch list on what's red and green.
BAT looking good, guys. Kind of bear flaggish. Quite a bit of room
AFJK is
down.
down 10%. It was hard to catch and spready, but that thing acted the way it was supposed to.
Pets is still looking good. 360s. TLRY. Some of the marijuana plays. TLRY is kind of
So, Ray,
wiki. Yeah. Yeah, it has been. Dylan, it has been weird price action.
yeah, like usually we have kind of trends, but it's like the trend almost changes each day, right? Like one day the
AZI.
junkers are all pumping, the next day everything's round trip Brenton. Like it's like hyper trends nowadays. It's not like a okay, this week, these few weeks have been this. It's like been really fast moving, it feels like.
AZI, you called that one earlier. That one's looking good. All right, PCSA.
AMCI, like they keep trapping bears, bro. Like they're trapping bears, it feels like. It hasn't pumped, but it just keeps, just that trappy king of the day action started to get a little crowded after it dumped. Like the short started getting involved, bulls started scurrying. It's just kind of turned into an MM chop fest now.
PCSA, where are we going?
Oh, I forgot I'm in that. Let's go. Let's go. Locked in $5 on the long. $6. Let's go. 1-for-1 on the longs today, guys.
If it's halting down, I'm gonna hit it, guys.
Is it?
It looks like it is. We'll see if it is this time.
Yeah, it is. All right, I took 100 shares now short. I was 30 long, now I'm 100 short. And that's still, I mean, it's not too much for this trade. It's yeah.
Yeah, I'm in short too.
You short?
745 average. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, it's. I just wish we could edit orders during the halt. That's kind of a problem. That's a flaw that TTP has for sure. Climb behaving. SMX trying to behave again. It's when it dumps and moves, it moves quick, man. SMX, I mean, it's just, I guess it's just a classic FOMO. Like we know it's up so much that an inevitable big dip is coming, and that's kind of like what I feel with SMX. Like you said, it's like how is this thing holding up at $100? It was at $3.
Yeah.
What realistically is a valuation here? Like 10, 20 bucks? Like after all that stuff they pump, like maybe 10, 20, 30 bucks. Like surely not hundreds coming from $3.
Resume price is in the 660s right now. 1019. $680. It's curling up a little bit. $690.
What are you looking at? Are you degening the halt action like in the halt?
Yeah,
Is
yeah.
that what you're calling out right now?
With Zendu, the resume price,
Oh,
690.
okay, yeah.
I'm just monitoring where it's going to open up at.
It's a pure degen. No, I mean we're invested in this thing. We need to know. Literally.
Not an investment in the company.
Just bigger picture size for me right now. I mean, where is this thing headed? Good God. Did we resume? No.
Shh, don't scare me like that, dude. I just flipped it 2
I
different
saw
times.
a flick in the chart or something, but maybe it was SMX behaving.
RZLV straight dump. RZLV straight dump. Hitting like major resistance levels, 320s.
Okay.
RZLV. Yeah, should have had a closer eye on that one today, but
How's the scanner looking here?
watch PCSA like complete round trip.
PCSA is king. And then the biggest loser, Vistagen, down 80%. Children's Place, what happened there? Did they get caught in a scandal or something? They're down 40%.
Ticker.
PLCE.
Children's Place. Oh, that's a little store. Yeah, they got probably just earnings not doing too well, I'd imagine.
What
Yeah.
about MENS? How does that look?
Yuck. MENS. Trickling lower.
Yeah, it's like one of the laggers of the day. And that's something we touch on sometimes too. If you're looking for a solid trade as a short, don't be afraid to look at the top losers. If you find some good backside momentum, you can manage your risk and catch a trend down. Go ahead. I like to deploy that if if the day's still young and I'm not seeing a lot of stuff screaming, I'll start, exploring that backside list. Or like that's how I found RZLT for the long. It might be the inverse. It might be time for the dead cat bounce. On the other end of it, and on the vibe.
All right, we might be resuming here. soon, PCSA.
Shorts are hitting iRobot. Are they?
690s.
Nah, thing's on a freaking grindy trend. After it washed to nothing, good God. I stopped following the story. What happened? They diluted. Oh, yeah, it's the bankrupt. Yeah, chapter 11. What happened? This thing pumped up and then it did a bankruptcy dump? Good God.
PCSA probably about to open up.
All right, yeah, I need to have my portal pulled up in case I can't close this freaking trade out. There we go.
I'm gonna take it and
Took a
resmack it.
while. Oh, you ran pretty big.
Yeah.
There they go, holding it back up. I'm out break even, dude. I'm good. I'm good on this crap. I took half off for profit and then had to cover the other half for a small L. Yeah, I'm good on that, bro. Literally lost $4 in that trade on 100 shares.
Yeah, I mean, good discipline with it.
What are you in? You're holding short, or what are you?
I took off the short and went long.
Okay. Oh man, you're funny, bro. I mean, it's like if you micromanage these, it's like you follow the momentum right into the halt, and then you cover or sell right into the after for a little bit higher, rinse, repeat. I guess that could work, right? Until it doesn't.
Oh Lord.
Until they do like
Yeah.
one of those fake out maneuvers, right, where they do the fake halt and then it opens the opposite end and just goes the trend cracks, right? That's what sucks. 'Cause that can happen.
Mhm.
I've seen that.
Or the halt opens.
AMCI Warrior Congregation, CLYM and SMX are starting to get a little sleepier, a little fadier, but SMX, I don't know, man. This one's hard to trust. It's hard to trust for this thing to roll over here. It might just base out the way it's been trading. But CLYM, that was just such a gross reclaim that one made too. Like what in the hell?
Byron, we're playing PCSA like a fiddle over here. Trying
That
to
men's is just dumping straight down, dude.
Emmanuel $3. Look, I was there on one eval. Like I was $1 away and ended up max losing on the day. So don't do that. Chasing that dollar.
Yeah, do not get stuck up in that, dude. On the profit targets, and like I've done that so many times, be like 90% of the way there, and you're just like, just one more. If I push it a little harder, like, and that's the complete opposite psychology of like a successful trader. Like you have to be patient. You have to wait for your setup. You got to follow your rules. You know, that's the whole loop of the chasing the funded status that happens.
Are we breaking through highs, PCSA, or are we just gonna reject and head lower? Questions. 1024.49's resume price. Showing it's resuming at the same level. Yeah, Manuel, found your setup on Tesla. Got the funded status going again. Again, after the invalidations.
Nice.
I
Oh my God. What was the invalidation for?
guess the only thing it could be for, right, is 5%. But
Well, they
these
won't
days,
tell you that immediately, or they emailed them and said that.
yeah. Resume price is creeping up, guys. 780.
Mm.
$7.70. $7.90s. Tricky trade, $8.
Wiki Wonka. I'll probably just smack it short into a halt down again, but otherwise leave it alone.
Smart.
I think that's my game plan.
8.10. Pass that smartness on to me.
Oh, that's
8.17.
annoying. Yeah, AFJK was a great short. That thing's just such a scam pig, little junker dumper. But yeah, the volume. I would have really made a lot of money on that ticker over the past few days with the volume rule. And then the spreads. Like if I was on DAS, oh my God, I'd clean up on a stock like that because the spreads are better and you don't have a volume rule. And that's where it's like it's good to have shop open for certain trades at other brokers. And on the
Did it
same
open? Is it about to open?
utilize TTP with the free locates and the leverage stuff. So
My system just grayed out.
PCSA.
Is it
Yeah,
open?
have it on your phone, man. Be careful. Let me pull it up. I'm seeing 925 on the bid. Is that real? There's $1 on the ask. God, Weeble jankies.
Or refreshed? I'm good.
Yeah, it's gonna be maybe 30 seconds. Or wait,
I'm
no,
see-
it's already been 5 minutes, so it might be five more, I think.
Oh boy. Yeah, the resume price on Zendu is 8.20, but on TTP I'm seeing 9.20 on the bid.
It's
So
been 6 minutes, so CLYM volume has slowed down here.
yeah, 8.20 I'm seeing is the resume price at 10.29. I would I would laugh so hard if I got like funded just trading this PCSA action. They were probably going to be like, heck no, we ain't. Heck no. Invalid. Hail to the no. We ain't taking these trades. Yeah, TTP on PCSA is all janky right now. Like the bid ask or wonky all over the. It's
Yeah, and we
hopefully it'll. Okay, so hopefully it just lines back up once we open up
maybe
10.29.
2 minutes. Yeah, it could be 2 minutes.
Are we breaking through the highs, guys? Because it's opening up like 30 cents below the highs, so we certainly could. 8.25 resume price now. Oh, Byron, are you speaking on Top Step? You have to pay for those fees? Is that what you're speaking on? All right, within the minute. 829 I'm seeing.
SMX slowed down a lot. Same with
Eight-
climb. The volume is like slowed there, which is what you want to see as a short.
830. No borrow the fees on the futures. Gotcha. 833. We should be opening up soon here, guys.
PCSA open higher.
Open higher. Took
Oh,
profits on it. I took profits.
yeah, smart. It's grayed out on my platform. It's gonna screw me up, isn't it? And now it's gonna halt down.
Oh, dude. Why does it do that for you?
It's not just me.
It's usually right after the halt, though. I don't
I
really
don't
have
have the
that.
right phone. I don't have the right account loaded on my phone right now. I'll take 100 shares into a halt down, guys. I'm not getting over ambitious here. Maybe not even that, to be honest. Maybe 50 the way this thing's trading. Not involved until it halts down.
Same.
And we have time for the halt down, so do not get tricked either, guys. You're going to see the price stagnate there for 10, 20 seconds before it actually halts. Is it gonna? It's getting close. Oh my god, it's already dropped so much now. Ugh. It's gonna be like a 50 share chase into a halt down for me, probably. Just real conservative on this name.
Back up.
Yeah, crazy, dude. Is it halting up? If it halts up here, oh, I'd be tempted. I don't know. Just gambling. Call it for what it is.
Yeah. 875, they often say that like gravitates towards 10. I'm gonna take a small short starter. See what it's gonna do here.
There's a lot of wicks there, but can blow through in no time. Just careful, man.
Yeah, I'm real small.
What's the float now on this thing?
Float PCSA. Oh, what is the float? It says 49 million on Zendu. I highly doubt that's correct. It's got to be. That can't be accurate. They might squeeze it up one more time. See what they do with it.
CLYM Unreal Reclaim Team.
Are you back good? Like the TTP?
Yeah.
Okay. It just
Yeah.
seems to keep happening, like right when these things unhalt for you.
Yeah, like half the time it does. Like once it triggers a halt one time, there's some kind of wonky thing in the system where it grays out. It still registers it as untradeable. It's like it just happens randomly, but it's been happening kind of often, like almost, like 30% of the time, it seems like it does it. Especially when I'm trading different funds and different evals, I can only be logged into one at a time. If I'm logged in the wrong damn one on my phone, you know.
Yeah.
So, have another phone or have an iPad if you're really working volume of accounts and be prepared. You saw what I had to do when my computer died. I was all in on my phone and my iPad, farming seed oil shorts.
Yeah.
Pumpy, fake out, breakout. Yeah, this thing's just a pure freaking Vegas, man. Pure dopamine.
Dylan, I'm gonna be utilizing C Pro again, likely soon. I want to. The idea is to have a few funded here at TTP, and then make 100% of the gains over at C Pro, because they just took their platform fee off, so there's hardly any overhead over there now. I mean, you have to pay for the locates, but look, if you're at DOS or Sterling, you have to pay like the service charge, and on top of that, the locate rate. With C Pro, you don't have to pay that locate charge, like the 25, $30, whatever it is. It's really nice. PCSA, we're in a little flaggy waggy. Looks wicky, but see what she's gonna do. I just went ahead and threw 100 short on it. I like the bigger picture. I'll hit it down or hit it up from there, really.
Let's see. Yeah, man, reclaim theme, dude. Like, respect price action.
Yeah.
Max loss rule per ticker is, the holy grail, in my opinion.
Mm-hmm. We're about to do something PCSA. It's flagging up here.
Yeah, exactly. Fall. Yeah, I have to pay at DOS. Yeah, I paid so much in fees. That's the thing. Like how I trade, it's just if TTP spreads were better, like it'd be so. I swear, dude, I would have made so much more money. Like the spreads cost me every freaking trade, and because I like to trade a lot still, so I'm still executing a lot of trades in and out. But the rules and the spreads definitely cut into the edge, but we don't have to pay locates, and we have a lot more leverage. So it's just weighing the pros and cons.
Yeah, I wonder if you did the math, if you're actually coming out on top, not having to pay locate fees with the spreads in mind.
Yeah, that's where it needs to be kind of more like have shop open at different things. Like it's the same thing like I do I have like a sports betting strategy on the side and it's like I have different shops open, like different books that I can go to. And it's kind of the same thing with trading, certain platforms have different edges. So if there's like shorts that are really cheap, or if there's
Mhm.
no volume on a stock and we need to trade it and short it at offshore, then that's the way to go. Because like some of these trades have became untradeable with trade the pool, and then some trades are untradeable offshore. Right? Some locates are not even available. So again, give yourself power and leverage. Open up shop. Have a couple legs to the table. That's what it's about.
You said have your legs open on the table. PCSA feels like, if you're late to the party on the long side here, you're about to get annihilated. We'll see. I mean, I could see a fake out breakout coming up here soon, or just snap from here. We'll see. I think some longs are. We'll see if they get rewarded chasing it here, but she's up quite a bit.
Yeah, pretty slow out there today, guys, though. I mean, it's just this morning felt like that as soon as I woke up for pre-market. Just kind of had that vibe, but been pretty busy. I was a little tired, so felt good to catch up on some sleep. Like,
Mm-hmm.
getting up early is fruitful when the market calls for it, but don't burn yourself out. Like I've been there and done that. Like don't try to wake up at 4 a.m. multiple days in a row unless the market's screaming and there's just so much opportunity. Like don't try to force
Volume.
it. You're gonna burn out. You're gonna burn out. I've been there.
PCSA looking heavy here. We'll see if
Yeah,
it's a trap or not. If they're gonna short trap, that's gonna be pretty brutal. But
is
I'm
that
gonna
a
hit it
halt?
in. I'm gonna
No,
hit it down here. If it's a trap, oh
it's
man, if it's
trapped. That was a big wick at that last support level.
damn it, that was a trap.
Ooh, gross. Yeah, dude. It's just freaking gambling with these damn tickers, man. Like the algorithms are so cutthroat. They're so cutthroat. And now keep in mind what happens if you keep staying and hanging around these plays. Like the algorithms get stronger, the manipulation gets stronger. There's less retail volume, and it's just algos trapping you guys. Like that's literally what's going on, especially in lunch hour. So you got to respect the game. You got to get in where the getting's good, get the predictable piece, and move on. And like that's what I've learned with time too. Like where I always end up burning out is like continuing to trade through lunch when I'm fatigued, right? My mental capital is not there
Mm-hmm.
anymore. I've already made a lot of good trades. I've made a lot of good decisions. I'm not quite as sharp. The manipulation starts to happen. I'm hungry. I'm getting tired. And it's like you just gotta be realistic, guys. Like find that balance, find what's healthy and and analyze your data like I always talk about. It's all there in front of you. So look at where is your week trading time. Like that's what I got real with myself and realized, okay, I struggle more at lunch than other times. Like, do I never make money around lunchtime? No. Like some days I make a ton then. But as in general, over the years, where have I struggled? And it's during lunch. Whether that's because of the manipulation, the chop, or because I'm literally fatigued and need a break from trading all morning,
Mm-hmm.
probably both. So, through the years, I've found that the more success I have is when I step away and give myself a break and time. It's just, you got to find something realistic for you. So, PCSA looking real interesting here.
Yeah, they might trap it one more time. I don't know. We'll see what they're gonna do with it.
Yeah, Dylan, that's like a perfect schedule. Um, yeah, it's like depending on how pre-market is. If pre-market's not hot, then it's like you can trade into the market for a couple hours. But as a short, I have noticed like shorting at Bell can be really dangerous if you're on the wrong play. So that's why we like to focus on backside a little bit more. PCSA, dude, I gotta take a starter here. I'm in real small. I'll be ready to cover.
I like it too. I'm just kind of waiting to see. It feels like they might maybe wick it one more time or try to fake out. I don't know. I don't know.
Yeah, I'm just in for
But
50
it's
shares right now. Finger on the trigger to smack another 50 or cover. I went ahead and threw a stop at 811 too, just to cover my ass. I think I'm gonna double down. Let me see.
I'm gonna hit it too. Same thing. 50. Hit it. I
But
mean,
yeah,
it's tapping the
finding
200
that
for
trading
sure.
window is so key. Like, like drawing those lines in the sand for yourself. And you got to have some kind of system to your trading. It can't just be like winging it. That's definitely what I realized evolving over the years. Like,
Man, UDMY has been bleeding, dude, since open.
but yeah, 4 p.m. I like coming back at like 3 and then checking the market out. The thing that's terrible about trade the pool lower guys. The thing that's terrible about trade the pool is they liquidate you at 350, and that freaking obliterates the momentum shorts into the afternoon. So that's annoying. But you can still work after hours. You got that leverage and stuff. So I love
AMCI is good risk good.
okay.
AMCI against 1120s, good risk good.
And then SMX is slowly cooperating. I just don't trust AMCI after that reclaim under 9. It got real choppy. I'd probably just wait until it gets back under 10, to be honest.
All right, we might haul down PCSA
Uh,
or wake back up. We'll see.
I'll drag my stops down. I'm not playing with these reclaims on this thing. Let's go.
Halting down. Halting down.
All right, I added one more lot.
All right. It's a real halt. Wow. Okay.
Stayed there for a bit.
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
Oh my
I went
God.
through, I went through a dark phase with trading where, and I've talked about my story how like I had a lot of success and I had like one bad trade that blew me up, and it really wrecked my psychology. And I got into the mode of like survival and like forcing. So that's what I would do. I'd sit there and force trade all day and like make hundreds of trades. Like I had so much data, but I was working harder, not smarter. And you can't do that as a trader, right? Like it doesn't work. You can't force it. So that's like what I realized over the years. I'm like, less is actually more with trading. Like I only have so much energy and so much capital to exert every day. And no one is built to just be a system, a robot, and sit there at your desk and trade all day. Like it's just, all the pros, like they find where they succeed, they find their time slots and they get in where they fit in. They extract from the market what it gives them. They're not farming all day during lunch trying to find a setup and push things. Like that's just not the winning path. And that's what I had to accept and realize for sure.
I agree with you, although my chart does not.
Well, that's the thing. It's like sometimes when you have, through lunch, you can have success. I guess, and it also comes down to your strategy and if you're long and if you're shorting and your sizing and this and that. But there is a general trend that can't be denied that traders tend to lose money. Markets get choppier. There's less moves. There's more fake outs. That tends to happen around the lunch hours. That's a fact. So I'm just respecting that along with my own data and saying, you know what? Yeah, that's where I had to draw my line in the sand to take that break and eat, go to the gym, get outside, take a break, step back in the afternoon, fresh, ready to tackle that afternoon session. And yeah, that's been my playbook. So
Yeah, I remember watching some of your videos on your channel. I think it was around the time you had lost the CMEG account, and it was oh man, like
yeah, I'm definitely gonna
it
make
was
some more talking about everything. Start that
it
back.
was they were good insights, but you can tell like that time period just because you were so like you were trading so well, so that's where a lot of traders can find value from that. It's like you were trading so well and
Yeah,
just
I've
like
been
one.
through every part of trading, so I mean, I
Yeah,
could
you're
relate
a
to it
great
all.
teacher.
Oh, Jesus, Roseanne's
You're a great teacher. I think you would do well like at our rehab center being the coach.
Yeah, I'm gonna start making more videos on psychology and stuff too, because I've been doing a lot of deep diving and journaling myself and reflection and kind of getting over my own last hurdles as a trader and tying kinks up. So like I feel like I want to start giving more back to the community too, because I've literally been through hell. Like I've given everything I had to trading and I've been through it all. So yeah, I love it, but it can take it out of you, man. You can go through dark years for sure, and the more receptive you can be and the more open-minded you can be to soak up things. Like I was stubborn, I was hard-headed. I didn't want to watch videos. I didn't want to mentor. I didn't want to, my ego didn't want to have that. I wanted to be hard-headed and figure it all out myself. And being a hard-headed individual as a trader is a very tough thing to overcome. Let me tell you that.
Yeah. We should be opening up at 6:40, resume at 10:49:33. 6:40 resume.
Okay, I need to have this. I
Are
guess if
you
it grays out, but I'm already in it, I could close out with the X.
are
But
you taking a
I'm not
decent
even
chunk
gonna.
off?
Well, I did size it. I got
Likewise.
how many shares you got?
Don't ask. enough.
We're not gonna
Enough.
talk about that. Let's talk about that after we take profit.
Yeah, enough. I got enough. That's all you need to know. More than enough.
I still don't trust this talk though. Like
I
I
know.
didn't smack it as much as I wanted to. Like I held the degenerate me back because I'm like I don't trust
How
this
many
thing.
shares you got? I'll go tit for tat with you. You tell me, I'll tell you.
A couple hundred.
Okay. All right. All right. 350.
All
All right.
right.
Let's see. 650. I'm gonna take a piece off though out of this. 665. God dang it, she's creeping up.
Yeah, take care, Dylan. Good chatting, bro.
I took it. Sketched me out. I'm gonna re-hit it a little bit probably on a pop here though.
Yeah, I got sketched out too. I took a third off, half off.
I'm gonna hit it small again. Small. I like 750 to 8 as a risk guide. We'll see if it turns into a little short squeeze from here.
I don't
I
know.
threw 50 on it again, but I want to re-add into it. I like the
Yeah,
descending
I got
triangle
a
we had.
hundred. Yeah, I got 100 right now, and I'm just gonna wait and see what it's doing here. Yeah, I like what it's done, but not falling in love. I'll go ahead and set a 50 share stop if it gets any more here.
Is it? Yeah, it'll be interesting to see if she's done or they're going to try for a round 3. Yeah, Dylan, good having you in here. Good conversations as well.
SMX slowly working out, guys.
All right,
Got 150 pop. Called that entry there, and it just kind of slept out. Could unwind. It's that textbook $20 random pop I called for.
Mm-hmm. Is she just going to bleed off from there too?
PCSA. A little pressure here. Can scale it and add off those wicks now.
Halt down.
Right. Get it right. Get it tight. Get it right. Where's this thing going, brother? I'm just going to drag and drop stops and start getting involved here.
I'm hitting it a little bit more.
Right. Yeah, I've gotten aggressive with this thing and scaling stops.
I want to see it into a halt down though.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, it's feeling kind of heavy. I mean, decent risk guide now, like 720-ish off of that crack it just put in.
Probably even tighter than that, to be honest. Say like
Yeah, it's just a
7.
little 7s. Okay.
Hell, even mid 6s after. Well, no, it's already. Yeah, I'd say 7. I want to see it pretty much stay heavy at mid 6s. Maybe it bounced to mid high 6s and wash. But it should stay pretty heavy here. Feels good.
Yeah.
Just scaling my stops right above where it forms that new resistance. There's the wick.
I'm tempted to hit that wick though. Or let's see what she's going to do. Little pop there.
Yep.
I can't get stuck in a hall. I gotta go in a second to get my kid. 11:15 is pickup, so I gotta leave soon.
Okay. Yeah, any much more is going to be sketchy here. I mean, even getting back close to that 720 after washing there, it shouldn't be. AMCI pumped and dumped. Wow.
Oh, did it? What did it do? Okay.
It's just a junker ticker, like I said, that MM manipulation. Just doing that same crap that VMAR did, right? Just the friggin' junkie action.
I like it now off of that wick though.
Here we go.
Oh, I can't get stuck in a hole.
Downtrend gonna stay. No, I'm talking about PCSA. I'm not. Yeah, there's another little spike up, man. This thing might not be done with it.
Yeah, I'm gonna set levels and head out.
Yeah, I mean, honestly, if it get back over 720, 30, it's not done. It's gonna keep churning up. I mean, it might sweep over that, but that's gonna be pretty aggressive. It should be heavy here. It's right on its downtrend line right now, bro. So just take that with what you will.
I got 100 on it, like 730. I'll give it to the
Yeah,
rest.
just give it breathing room. Yeah, that's smart. Yeah.
And then AMCI, I'm gonna take a little position there too, because I do like that chart.
Yeah, that could have been its final move, the final sweep there, but that one's tempting, but it's just a weird name. It's real choppy. Same thing, like 50, 100 shares, small size, small exposure.
Yeah, I'm throwing 100 on it against like 1150.
Like,
that wick it
when
just
you get ambitious and you start taking hundreds of shares in these trades with the way they trade, it's just tough. Like the manipulation is going to wick you out.
AMCI 100 against 1150s, PCSA against 730s, and going to kick back. PCSA might be tight. We'll see. But I mean, I like it.
It's given good risk levels off that top. But it's kind of pumpy. So
Looks pretty good.
it does. Yeah, I'm in it pretty big here with tight risk levels scaled. It's right here on the downtrend though. Like downtrend line is trying to break through it up to the upside right here, right now. Picture perfect downtrend line right here. You see it?
Mm-hmm.
But I like that candle it put in. So it feels good, bigger picture, but we know how this market can get.
How'd everybody in chat do? You guys good? Good green? Good and green on one account. Took a loss on the other.
PCSA, a little pressure there. Chopping around. PCSA wick. Spread dropped. Big wick down there. Is that a trap? This thing could get violent if it goes up. It's trying to confirm down.
Dude, if this thing confirms down and halts down, my son's gonna have to wait. He's gonna have to sit out there in the cold.
Call the neighbor. Get a favor.
Get him an Uber.
Yeah.
It might be more, the opportunity cost might cost me more money.
Exactly.
That's funny, Emmanuel. They were like $1,000 invalidated, and you're like, actually, no. Here it is. Here it is back.
Make sure you audit your trades whenever they do that though. You can go to free real time. I was talking to Kevin about that. Free real
AMCI
time
Kevin.
will help you audit that. So
Free real time?
yeah.
Okay.
So you can go there and check the actual data. So go do that because I've had to go do that and audit them before and write them and say actually I was fine. So just be careful with that.
AMCI looking pretty good, dude. And then PCSA looking pretty good, but sitting stagnant.
PCSA, yeah, I mean it kind of cracked the downtrend line, but it hasn't popped up either. It's just flatlining, so might be just getting heavier again and ready to wash. It did like a couple of fake out, almost wash candles. Need to really zoom in on think or swim with this thing.
It's like, who's trapped at this point? You got the longs up in the 8s,
It's like
praying for this thing back.
Oh, it feels pumpy again. 675. They're gonna wash. They're gonna rip it through that. There's some sellers there. Oh, candle down.
Oh, shoot, dude. This thing's lower. Okay. See if this is the death of it.
Big bid just showed up. Is that a prop bid or is that real? Did they fake everyone out again, dude? Oh my god. I'm getting real tight with these stops, dude. If they wick this thing over, we're at just finding support. Look at that. Unbelievable, dude.
Trappy on both sides. That's how this market's been. It
Look
just
how
got stopped.
scammy that is, dude. Yeah, it's scammy, bro. Yeah, hard to win against that. Yeah, that's just this freaking market, dude. Yeah, that's gross, and that's exactly what we've been talking about.
Halting up.
Yeah, and that's the cue. It's time to slow
Time
down.
to wrap it
people.
up.
Yeah.
Time to wrap it up.
Yep. Live to
All
trade
right.
another day.
I
Another
took-
game's being played.
I took a long set of stop. I gotta go.
All right, man.
Yeah, AMCI got that, and then PCSA, that trap, dude. I mean, it's just recognizing those traps, seeing them, buying up, and it's aggravating. But
Yeah.
is what it is. You gotta play the price action.
Yep.
Fades, appreciate you.
All right, brother. We'll talk soon. Take care, guys.
Yeah, take care, guys.